Excel has a range of printing options. First of all, you can choose to print just a selection of your spreadsheet. To do this, highlight the selection of your spreadsheet that you want to print. Once you've done this, select File and then Print. Find the settings bar, and where it says Print Active Sheets, select the drop-down. You want to choose Print Selection. You'll see the print preview change next to it to show only what you've selected. You can now print this by selecting the Print button. If you select Print Active Sheets, it will only print the sheet that you had last opened. For example, I have a sheet called Data open, and when I go to print, it'll only print the sheet. If you wanted to print all sheets in your workbook, you would select Print Entire Workbook from the same drop-down. This will print out everything, including any graphs that you have made and have put in a new worksheet. Any headers or footers that you've inserted into your spreadsheet will be automatically printed. If you have a larger spreadsheet, but you don't want to print it off on multiple pages, you can scale your printing. To do this, select the No Scaling option and click on the drop-down. You have some different options, such as Fit Sheet on one page, Fit all columns on one page, and Fit all rows on one page. There are also some custom scaling options. Please note, if you do choose to scale your spreadsheet, a large spreadsheet will be printed out very, very small. You might not even be able to read it. Make sure that you preview and check your printing.